Hello everyone, Deb Floros for Jesse James Beads. The new Coastal Cottage Collection is so cool. So I lived in New England for a period of time and this really speaks to me. So I couldn't turn down using this beautiful chain and those beautiful flower beads as well as those glass white beads. The combination of these three things are just amazing. So I'm going to grab some 19 strand beading wire. I'm going to string up those white beads and I'm going to use some seed beads, and I'm using two size 11s in between the white beads. And so I'm just stringing them up in that order. They look really beautiful together. Those seed beads were from my stash. Jesse James Beads does have some seed beads in their collection as well. So I did not cut my chain to start this piece. So once you know the secret sauce for making this, you can cut yours ahead of time. So I strung on my chain and I put 3 seed beads next to it and then the flower bead, then another 3 seed beads, and the other side of the chain that I'm going to string on. So again, I didn't cut the first time, but I'm actually using 7 of the beads. So I'm counting 7 of them and then adding the chain, looping around that beautiful flower bead. And you see I'm cutting it here, and you can cut it going forward with 7 of those beads. And there is a little loop for you to string right onto your beading wire. Yay, I love how it looks. It's so cute. So I'm adding a bead next after the seed beads and then repeating the pattern of the seed beads, chain, flower bead, seed beads, chain. I'm going to have a center focal of 3 of those flowers with the chain dangling down below. I just love how that looks. It's so cute. So you can pre-cut your chain. I wanted to make sure that everything worked out just right. So I'm cutting as I go. And I love how that looks. So, so pretty. Chain like this, sometimes you have to think about how it's going to drape. And I think with the 7 beads, it drapes nicely. So I finished my pattern up the other side, and then I put my piece with a few bead stoppers up to make sure it hung right on my mannequin. Then I wanted to add a nice little dangle in the back, so I added some chain. I cut some chain, and then I added some seed beads and a lobster claw, a crimp tube, some French wire attaching that lobster claw. And then on the other side, I'm adding that piece of chain, and I'm adding another loop of the French wire and crimp tube. This is just merely decorative because I think a little something down the back looks really divine, and this chain is so, so lovely. Now at the end of the chain, I'm taking a head pin and wire wrapping another one of those white beads, which are so beautiful, and adding directly to the end of that chain. So that will hang down in the back. It's certainly optional, but I think it looks very, very cute. So you can find all of these amazing pieces and parts at jessejamesbeads.com. Check out the Coastal Cottage Collection. This necklace was so much fun to make. It is my absolute new favorite necklace. So, so fun. So check it out. We hope you'll give this little project a try, as well as the Coastal Cottage Collection. Thanks for watching.